Hey guys, Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2700 BS. Rear kitchen, 2 slides. You got the master bed, king bed slide, washer dryer prep. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, let's watch all the way till the end of the video. I'll show you a clip of the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. Always remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on. So be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Check down in the description. I have all your specs, holding tank sizes and measurements. And remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, stand at the entry door looking in, your kitchen to the back and left, slide out. Looking forward, you can see you go through the bathroom to the bedroom. Nice sitting area. And we're gonna start right here. So rear kitchen, lots of countertop space. You've got the 12-volt refrigerator freezer, exhaust fan. In the kitchen area, you got some towel bars, you got touch lights, receptacles, soft close cabinets with the magnets, microwaves at a good height, your fan and light here. Your fan does exhaust outside. Now look at this large window. Actually, look at all the windows. They've squared them off. You got the built-in, basically day and night shades where you can black out or let in a little bit of light. So nice new setup there. Drawers, pots and pans drawer has got your pegs to keep your stuff from rolling around. Oven's at a good spot. You got the LED lights, 3-burner range. Huge drawers that pull out here. I mean, massive. Even bigger than the pots and pans drawer. Still with the soft close. Underneath, more receptacles, lights, towel bars. You've got, they do extend to give you a full paper towel holder. And lots of storage in that back up top. Your sink area, you got the built-in soap dispenser, your cover, spray head extends, trash cans built in, and you got a little cubby hole there. Looking for where you eat. You can have a card table or a table here, but what they give you is this extended cabinet counter here. And then you've got these chairs that you store under the bed that fold out of your way. You can set directly in front, look out the window. You can set to the sides. You got some options, but this does come with 2 chairs. Again, the space in front of the window, and then the TV pops up. And this is 12 volt also, so you don't have to be plugged into shore power. Shouldn't be watching TV when you're camping, but if you need to, here it is. It pops up. And then you've got the TV directly across from the theater seating. Theater seating, you see the divider, charging area, cup holders, footrest, kick out. Again, same window shades, those day and night. You got a fire escape window here. You've got a little cubby hole and charging area here. Heat ducts not in the floor, ducted AC in the ceiling. JBL sound system, which is here. It's got Bluetooth. Compass Connect, control your lights, your awning, your slides, everything from a convenient area. Thermostat for the main AC. You got a solid door to close off the bathroom from the living area. Fuse panel, circuit breakers, lots of room around that toilet. Good storage, medicine cabinet, down low storage. Still get the nice countertops. And then your shower has got tons of headroom. I'm 6'5". I'm just inside the skylight. Textured look on that retractable, self-cleaning shower door. Got a heat duct, AC duct, and exhaust fan on the bathroom. Another solid door to close off from the master bedroom. And Imagine's giving you a king-size bed on a slide. So, storage underneath. There's one of the chairs. There's a sliding shelf and the shocks to hold that up. New look on that headboard. And now you've got the windows here with the shades as well. Lighting, charging area, heat duct, receptacle. Same on this side, you got the receptacle. In your closet here, washer dryer hookup. Tons of hanging storage. If you weren't using it for washer dryer, you got the deep storage there. Deep storage here. And then the dryer could go here. So you can do all in one to the far left, or you can do washer left, dryer right. And there's your whole prep for the dryer vent. Good drawers here in the master bedroom. Your TV backers in the ceiling, so that would swing down. We got second AC. There's all your TV hookups, huge blinds, and there's another fire escape window. Tons of natural light. Your other thermostat, and these lights have got the dimmer in here, which you can control here, or turn them off altogether. Your brand new 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2700 BS. Let's work our way outside. Take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, your front cap, logo, two 20-pound LP bottles with the cover, model number, power tongue jack with the LED light. You got your 7-pin and chain holder, spot for 2 batteries. It will come with one with the box. Rock guard. Your pass-through storage, your non-skid flooring. Look at that aluminum framing. They even give you the little chuck to put on your drill for the jacks. Your battery disconnect, solar controller, receptacle, all your goodies located inside, nice and clean. You can feed it right here through the bottom. Got outside shower and your water hookup, and then inverter prep and easy winterization. I'll show you some other stuff when we get to the other side. Fresh water fill, nice thick slam latch compartments with the magnet that holds it up for you. Dual slides on this side. You've got the pipe here to hold your sewer hose. Storage here underneath the bed. Again, magnet, 2 latches in addition to your key. You got a convenience light by the sewer hookup. Rear slide out. To the back, we're looking at 50 amp service, your gray tank hookup, those rear stabilizer jacks. You do have a receiver on the back, not for towing, but good for cargo up to 250 pounds. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Right up on the roof, you see your 2 ACs, roof vent, skylight, TV antenna, solar panel up there on the top of those slide outs. Nice clean roof. You've got prep for backup camera, and there's the exhaust for your range. Backside of your hot water heater. Moving around to the campsite, you've got your spray port for an outside shower, which will reach the steps. Full-length power awning. It's long, so you've got the support arm there in the middle. Keep that arm and tube from sagging over time. Large assist handle. You've got the crank here to drop your spare tire, and you've got your LP quick connect as well. Dual axles, Goodyear Endurance tires. You got friction hinge on the door so it stays where you leave it. And you got screen door. You've got the shade already built in. If you wanted to get the door flush to the wall out of the way, you can use that magnet. The step above entry steps have the quick trigger to adjust those legs. And you got a spot out here for a TV if you wanted to hook one up outside. Black tank flush. Up to the front corner. Again, all four corner stabilizer jacks. Here's a manual crank if you didn't want to use that chuck. Your outside shower. The crank to drop your spare tire. Got a receptacle in here, LED light, and then the dock for your TPMS tire monitoring system. Again, slam latch doors. Your brand new 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2700 BS. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, slide in. As you can see, you can still get into the fridge, into the sink. No issues getting in this. Normally a rear kitchen, you can't get to the fridge, but full access getting in here, and you can get everything you want in and out. And then full access to the bathroom as well.